Hello, hello. What a lovely surprise.
Hello, Jocelyn.
How are you, Amit?
I'm good, thank you. What about you?
Very well, thank you. I'm just, it is Amit, right? It's not.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
that is
right.
Amit.
Yeah,
Okay. Lovely to see you again.
the same here. Thank you so much. I
I,
wonder, I wonder. What about your twisted leg? Is it okay right now?
oh, it's fine. Thank you. It's all good. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank God. Please, yeah.
How have you been?
I'm doing great. Thank God.
Yeah. Yeah. It was funny because I was thinking about you last week.
Wow, what a beautiful coincidence.
Yes, and then I got a reservation, and I thought, what incredible telepathy.
Yeah, yeah. I already put you on my favorite tutor on
Uh,
Cambly.
oh, thank you. Are you serious? Really?
Yeah. Because I appreciate my tutors the one who helped me with the learning English.
Oh, thank you. I'm honored. Thank you very much.
No, it's okay.
What would you like to talk about today? Do you have anything on your mind?
Yeah, I have many things.
Hmm.
The first thing in my mind, I want to ask you about your name. Every time I say Jocelyn, I think it's related with the flowers. Like it sound to me like related with the flowers. Jocelyn. It's like jasmine.
Thank you. No,
I'm wrong.
no, and I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing, with you.
Yeah. I understand you.
So my name doesn't have a meaning, actually. It doesn't have any real meaning. The story is that my mother was reading a novel
Yeah.
when she was pregnant with me. And
Yeah.
of course, I'm not going to date myself, but in those days, people didn't know if they were going to have a boy or a girl before they were born.
Yeah,
So she said,
because nowadays we can know about the gender of the child, whether it's like a boy or a girl, and or I think what do you call it, sonar?
yes, that's correct. Sonar
Yeah,
scan, yeah.
yeah.
And I mean, also in those days, they used to do all these little tricks. I don't know if you know, do you know the saying old wives' tales? Old wives, like old wives,
Okay.
as in marriage. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
But
actually,
what about the tales that they thought about it?
they would do things to say, it's going to be a boy, or I think it's going to be a girl.
Yeah.
And one of the things they would do was to take a piece of string or cotton or something and dangle it in front of the mother's stomach, pregnant stomach.
What is the string?
Well, like cotton or something,
Yes.
cotton or string fabric, something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
And they would put the wedding ring of the mother
Yeah.
on that. And if the ring moved in a certain way to the left or the right, I don't know. It meant
I have heard about this tale. Yeah.
so somebody decided it was going to be a girl, and I mean, really, my name comes from a book that my mom was reading.
Yeah.
There's no, but maybe you know what? Maybe I can name a flower after me. Maybe I can go to, these people who name roses in England.
Yeah.
They say, this rose is called so-and-so. Maybe I'll say, this rose is called Jocelyn.
Yeah. So every time I say Jocelyn, I have today I have a reservation with Jocelyn. So I thought about Jocelyn. Is it Jocelyn related with a kind of flowers? Because it sounds related with the flowers.
It does sound similar to jasmine. Yes, you are correct.
Yeah. Before Cambly, I wasn't know anything about South Africa. Now I know more about South Africa. They have like 3 capitals in South Africa. I know 2 of them, Johannesburg and the other one, Cape Town.
Correct.
And yeah, I forget about the third capital.
I think it's Pretoria.
Pretoria.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think the famous capital there, Cape Town.
Yes, because that's where the parliament gathers every day.
Yeah. You told me that
Yeah,
before.
last
Yeah,
time,
I
yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
And I think I knew about South Africa like a diversity community.
Yes, 11 different languages, which is fantastic. Most people only know 1, maybe 2. Usually two. And
so the Afrikaans, maybe, and English?
Well, used to be Afrikaans, what we call Afrikaans, and now there are various African languages, which are Zulu, Xhosa, a lot of, Zulu and Xhosa are the main ones.
I had a session with my African tutor who is from Johannesburg.
Yeah.
And he counted me the language, like the whole 12 language, like, but the only language that stuck on my mind is Zulu.
Zulu, yes, that is the main one. Because there was a lot of politics many years ago between the king of the Zulus, and his name was Shaka, King Shaka. And so it's one of the most important languages.
So is it common nowadays to speak in Zulu?
Yes, Zulu, and then Xhosa, which is actually Xhosa, pronounced like that. And then English, and then Afrikaans. Some people do speak Afrikaans.
Yeah. So when you hear about Iraq, what do you think about Iraq? What do you know about Iraq?
Well, that's a very good question. I don't know too much, which is not good, is it?
Because
I don't have any students from Iraq on Cambly. You're my first one.
Maybe I am the only one to call you from Iraq.
So far, yes, I think so. I mean, maybe in passing there's been one, maybe, but no, you're my first, my most important.
So it's a good opportunity to know more about my country.
Yes, please tell me what's it like? Where do you live?
Since I started to learn English, I exposed myself to many foreign people. Like I participate with WhatsApp groups, on Facebook, on social media. So every time I get this question, like when they hear I am Arab, they thought we are still riding camels, and we still like live in a desert, in a desert. So I told them, no, we are not just like this. I think the old time, they do like this stuff.
Yes.
But nowadays we are more developed. And some people send me like pictures about do you wear like this dress? I told them, nah, it's kind of very old. like
the long
traditional dress. The long one,
But I must say, it might be old, but I think they're very, very nice, those long dresses that the men wore them, right?
People here still use it only on special occasions.
Okay, I mean, I think that's so much nicer than T-shirts and shorts. That's what most people wear in my country. Most men wear shorts, and I think those long dresses. What are they called? What do you call them? That the men wear? Kaftan? Not like a kaftan.
I don't know what you call it in English, but we call it like جلابية.
Galabia.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
It's,
I like those. I prefer those.
yeah. It's more comfortable. Unlike when we share when we dress t-shirt and short.
Yes. And if you go to, for example, an office in a corporate world, what do the men wear in the corporate world? Business world.
Yeah. We like if I want to be in office. Now, for example, in my office, I don't have to dress like as a suit with the tie. I don't have to wear this.
Goodness.
I dress like I dress like a casual dress.
Yes.
Like a t-shirt and trouser, jeans. Okay.
Yes.
That's normal in the normal shops. But if I've been in like in a company,
Yeah.
I have to wear like a beautiful suit with beautiful
tie and a collar shirt. So, and it's very hot. It's like
white shirt.
Yeah, it's very hot, isn't it, to wear all that?
Yeah, but you know, people sometimes judge to the people like they judge to the external shape, not the inner shape.
Oh no!
So we have to, and like in the companies, we have to wear like this.
Yes, and I mean in our country too, and it's a very hot country, South Africa. So, but the men always have to wear suits and collars and shirts and ties, and I always feel sorry for them. I just wanted to mention, I don't know if you know Netflix. Do you have Netflix?
I don't like to watch Netflix because it's already like they want to get paid. So I prefer the free app.
Okay. Yeah. Because there's a beautiful film that's been filmed in Cape Town underwater in South Africa. It's called My Octopus Teacher.
Can you write it down to me?
Yes. I think it's My Octopus Teacher. My Octopus Teacher. You know an octopus in the sea? Teacher. It's beautifully filmed about a man who makes friends with an octopus. And his life is he's feeling meaningless and he meets an octopus underwater. And it's beautifully filmed. It's really worth watching.
So is it the actors on that film from South Africa?
Yes, it's a documentary actually. So he filmed it and everything, and it's in Cape Town. And it's really beautiful.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it could
I will watch it. I promise.
But they don't wear a suit, so.
Yeah. So I guess you are on the morning now.
Yes, it's 9 a.m. in the morning. And
9 a.m. Yeah. I think we are an hour ahead you.
Okay.
Because the time here is 10 and 9.
10 to 9. 9 to 10.
10 to 9.
Okay.
10 to 9.
Oh, okay.
So can we say like you are
an hour
behind?
Yes, correct. An hour behind. So
and we are an hour ahead you.
And you're an hour ahead, correct?
Yeah.
That's right.
So thank you so much because we don't have much time.
No, not at all.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to see you again.
The same here. Thank you so much, Jocelyn.
Okay. You take care then.
Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.